I'm going to try something a little different today and hopefully it'll work. Okay. We're talking about multi-step equations with special solutions. What's a special solution? Well, we're going to find out. Let's review first how we solve multi-step equations. So this is just review from last week. Everything we've seen this part before step 1, we're going to distribute if possible. So what are we looking for? Parentheses. If we see parentheses, we're going to distribute. Step 2. Oh my goodness. Combine like terms. We are still not crossing the equal sign. We're still not crossing the equal sign. Don't cross it. Step 3, we're going to have the variables go to one side and the constants go to another. We are always going to move the variable first, which we're going to see why today. What's left? Well, all that's left is to solve. And we solve using that acronym, SADMEG. Now, here is the fulfillment of the teaser from last week where I said we're going to this was to come next week. Something new. If you get down to the last line of your equation and you have a statement that has an equal sign in it and there is no variable, so the variable has dropped out, you're going to ask yourself, is it true? Okay, you're going to have like a math sentence with an equal sign in it, and you're going to ask yourself, if you see no variable, you're going to ask yourself, is it true? What the heck does she mean by that? All right, I'm going to do some examples, and then you're going to see. So I have 2 different equations here. I'm going to try and draw in 2 different colors. Okay, let's see if that works. All right, and do I have anything to distribute? No, I don't see any parentheses. Do I have any like terms to combine? No. I don't see any like terms to combine. So I'm going to start with moving the variable. Doesn't matter if I choose to move this one or this one. I want all the variables on one side and all the constants on the other. All right, I'm left with -2 on this side, and I'm left with -10 on this side. What? Where'd the variable go? Well, it dropped out. We have a 0 pair here and a 0 pair here. Is it true? Is -2 equal to -10? No. No. And so therefore, this equation has no solution. It has no solution. No number I put in here will make this true. I can't substitute in anything for m and it be true. Let's compare to the other one. I don't see anything to distribute. I don't see any like terms to combine. So I'm going to start by moving my variables. I'm going to move 6r from the right to the left by subtracting 6r. I'm left with 7 is equal to 7. What? What happened? Where'd the variables go? Well, they dropped out. So what are we going to ask ourselves? Is it true? And is 7 equal to 7? Yes. If 7 is equal to 7, then the solution is all real numbers, meaning there is any number I put in there will make it true. If I put 0 in, will it be true? Yes. If I put in 1, will it be true? Yes. 13 is equal to 13. If I put in 2, will it be true? 19 is equal to 19. Yes. All real numbers, anything will work in there. Let's try a couple more. This one does have distribution. -2 plus 4v. Whoops, I already messed up. Can I erase it? Let's try again. -2v plus 4 plus 5 equals 10 minus 2v. I've distributed. Time to combine like terms. -2v plus 9 equals 10 minus 2v. I've combined like terms. Time to move the variables to one side and the constants to the other. Well, when I do that, what happens? Uh-oh. The variable dropped out. So what am I going to ask myself? Is it true? And is it? No. What's the solution? No solution. No solution is the solution. Let's try the other one. Distribute. Negative 4m minus 8 equals negative 4m minus 8. That might be firing, some neurons might be firing in your brain. Let's move the variable. Plus 4m. I'm left with negative 8 is equal to negative 8 because the variable dropped out. Is it true? Yes. What does that mean? All real numbers. That is your answer. So you must get down to the point where the variable drops out. This is not your answer. This is not your answer. This is your answer down here. The answers are here at the bottom. No solution. All real numbers. Let's try one more set. 2 more to go. These have all the things, of course, right? We're going to start with distributing. Negative 18r plus 15 equals, and we have distributing to do on this side, and we're going to take this negative with it, right? 7r minus 25r plus 20. Next, we're going to look for like terms to combine. I have nothing to combine on the left. We're only looking on one side of the equal sign and then the other. So let's make sure we have a nice neat line here. 7r minus 25r, negative 18r plus 20. Now let's move the variables. Uh-oh, when we move the variables drop out on both sides. We're left with 15 is equal to 20. Is it true? No. You knew it wasn't going to be true anyways. This is your answer. No solution. Let's try the one on the right. Distribute 4x minus 12 equals, distribute negative 7 plus 7x minus 3x minus 5. I have no like terms on the left to combine, but over here on the right, I see 2 constants, which total negative 12, and 2 x terms, which equal 4x plus 4x. Move the variables to one side. I'm left with negative 12 is equal to negative 12. Is it true? Oh, that's ugly. Yes, it's true. All real numbers. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.